Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LoyaltyLion for VIP programs on Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To enable LoyaltyLion for VIP programs on Shopify, you first need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type LoyaltyLion and press enter. Locate the LoyaltyLion app from the search results. Click on the app to access its details page. From here, select the Add App button to install LoyaltyLion. You will be directed to a permissions page. Review the requested permissions and click Install App. After installation, you will be redirected to the LoyaltyLion dashboard. To set up your VIP programs, click on the Programs section in the dashboard. Select VIP from the list of program options. In the VIP program settings, you can define the criteria for VIP status. Choose reward levels based on points, purchases, or any criteria that suits your business model. Customize the rewards and tiers according to your brand's goals. Once you've configured the program, click on Save Changes. Next, navigate to the Audience section to manage your customer segments. Create segments for potential VIP members based on your criteria. After defining your segments, go back to the Programs section. Make sure the VIP program is activated for customer use. For additional customization, explore the design and messaging options in the settings. After finalizing all settings, test the program by placing a test order. Verify that points are awarded according to the defined criteria. Once confirmed, promote your new VIP program to your customers. Regularly review the program's performance through the dashboard analytics. This will help you make any necessary adjustments in the future. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled LoyaltyLion for VIP programs on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.